Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your customer relationships with Zendesk. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Once logged in, navigate to the admin panel. In the admin panel, locate the customer settings section. Here, you can customize how you interact with your customers. Start by setting up customer profiles for personalized relationships. Input necessary details like names, contact information, and preferences. Next, integrate your communication channels. Connect email, chat, social media, or phone systems to streamline support. Enable automated responses for common inquiries. This will help manage customer expectations while providing quick answers. Utilize tags to categorize customer interactions. This allows for easier tracking and analysis of support requests. Implement a ticketing system to manage customer issues effectively. Organize tickets based on priority and response time. Train your team on best practices for customer interactions. A well-informed team can enhance customer satisfaction significantly. Use Zendesk's reporting tools to monitor your performance. Analyze data regularly to identify areas for improvement. Encourage customer feedback through surveys. This can provide valuable insights into your relationship management. Regularly review and update your customer data for accuracy. This ensures you're always providing relevant support. Foster a sense of community by engaging with customers on forums. Creating a space for discussions can strengthen relationships. Incorporate CRM features for a comprehensive view of customer journeys. This helps in understanding customer behaviors and preferences better. Make use of the knowledge base to empower customers. Customers can find solutions independently, improving their experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.